Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation bravely. Let's look at some example sentences. They decided to bite the bullet and move to a new city. She knew the conversation would be awkward, but she decided to bite the bullet and apologize for the misunderstanding. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. I was nervous about speaking in front of the audience, but I finally did it. I bit the bullet and spoke in front of the audience. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.